So if I had a choice to stay in Sriji guest house or Anand guest house, I would stay in Sriji guest house. Anand is automatic because Bhakti is Ladini and Sambit. Bhakti means bliss. Anand is nothing. But Bhakti, Ladini is like 10 is totally transcendental, divine, unlimited, unestimable, immeasurable bliss. Anand is just a happy spirit, a happy feeling in the mind and heart. Oh, Anand. You have a big meal and someone says, how was your prasad? Oh, Kubanand. Means very, very bliss, very happy. So we don't want Anand Dham, we want Brajadham. We want to serve Ananda Bihari Sham. Ananda Bihari Sham and Ananda Biharini Radha. Ananda Biharini Radha and Ananda Bihari Sham in Ananda Dham Sri Vrindavan Dham. Ki Jai. So you're in the Delhi or you're at Bombay, anywhere, you're a big preacher, you're living in a brahmacharya ashram, lots of spirit, brotherly spirit, fighting spirit, unity, strength in numbers. And then you start, Maya comes in your mind, says, oh, you know, that lady coming to the temple, she looks really cute, and she looks at me sometimes in Mangalartik, and I try to pretend not to look at her, but I look at her. And then one day at Sunday feast she came, when I was serving, she was sitting in line, and then she looked at me, and in such a funny way. And then one day I went to buy some things for the devotees. I went to the mall, and then I was in a store, and I turned around, the same lady was there from the Mangalartik in the temple. So we started talking, and she gave me her card, and then after some time I told the temple commander, well, you know, I think I don't want to be in the brahmacharya ashram anymore selling books. I think I have to change my ashram. So there it is. You're right inside the army, right at the top, at the center core, the core center of the whole preaching movement, the brahmacharya book distributor. And you go to that till you get married, because that's your destiny. You can't change one's nature. Sabhav gives you your birth. Sabhav is you don't have a certificate. When they give you a piece of paper from the government, birth certificate, piece of paper. You were born in Ghaziabad on April 17th, 1992. So they give you this piece of paper. See, here's my proof. I'm Indian citizen. So there's no, let's say, guarantee that Maya won't be there. If you have a choice to do bhajan in Vrindavan or outside of Vrindavan, if you have that great fortune where it appears that you have that choice, although it's a privilege, not a choice, but if somehow that privilege to live in Vrindavan and engage in bhakti bhajan comes your way, and you're fortunate enough and intelligent enough to take it up, and you move to Brajadam and begin to do bhajan and kirti and sankirtan and study and meditating, then whatever you do here, you'll get 100 times the result. Sometimes it says 1,000. And there's nowhere, anywhere in Goswami books, no commentaries, no shlokas, or in the Bhagavatam, any tikas I've seen that say that you get 100 or 1,000 times reaction for the bad things you do. Nowhere told. Only telling this is Kripadam. This is the place of Radharani. This is not Shashtandam. It's not the place of punishment. This is not Yamaloka. Yamapuri, Yamaloka. That is the place of punishment. Rasatala, Sutala, Atala, Patala is Narak, Lok. So many hellish planets. This is Brajadam. This is where Karunamayi Radharani lives. Bhaktavatsal Sri Krishna lives here. The term Bhaktavatsal is only for Krishna in Vrindavan. Not Mathura, not Dwarka, not Ram, not Vishnu. Nowhere this word is used except for Krishna. Bhaktavatsala Sri Krishna Bhagavan Ki Jai. So Krishna is living here and he's very affectionate to his devotees. Bhaktavatsal. And Radharani is the queen of Vrindavan, and she's Like we have the yogi in charge of UP. So we have the Premi, we have the Krunamayi, Premamayi Radha in charge of Vrindavan.